There's a Daisy Geyser. It's actually a group. Of course, the main Daisy Geyser is, of course, that one right there. Apparently connected underground to several other. Whoa.
There's another one down there that looked like it was
Okay, I think that was. No, couldn't be that. Okay, I think.
Just finished.
Daisy.
Graham got it.
Okay, so I know that one's the one that just erupted. Was that Bonita Pool? Must have been radiator geyser. Trying to go by the sign there, the way that thing is situated, it looks like it's the pool is over there. But, I don't know. Okay, so one of them erupted, and I don't know, it was not Daisy. Yeah, I don't know which. Geyser just erupted. Cool. Oh well. Let's see what this. Because a Daisy geyser predicted to erupt at 1:30, and it's like probably 5 to 1 now. Well, that says Daisy geyser right there. So maybe that was Daisy. I don't know. According to these signs, it's sure. See what this one says. Comet geyser. So we have that. And that's the cone I thought was Daisy geyser. I don't know. I'm going to go look at that map again. See if I can figure it out better. Okay, looking at the map again, I think it was radiator geyser that just erupted. Because I think bank geyser is that one that's right there. Kind of along the bank of the... And then radiator geyser would be the next one over, which is the one that was blowing. Bonita Pool must be right next to the... Oops, over there more. Where am I? Yeah. Man alive, I don't know. Oh well, one of them erupted. Had a... Oh, first I thought it was a skull. Okay. Okay, there's Splendid Geyser. This is the Daisy group again. I'm just on the other opposite side now. And that, see, that is Daisy Geyser right there. About half hour or so before it erupts. Okay, looking at this sign, it looks like the one that did erupt was Comet Geyser, because this sign is lined up with that feature. That's perfectly. So that must have been Comet Geyser. Okay. Okay, so I walked further down. Now this is Daisy Geyser, and now I don't know. Gosh, what's the deal? I just don't have them lined up correctly. I don't think.